Hello everyone. So before I get to fishing today, I'm gonna start my truck real quick. And yes, I am fishing today. What? Before I get started on that, I wanted to talk about a few things, and that is my goals for this year, because I, unlike everyone else and their freaking sister, when the season or the year started, everyone was doing New Year's resolution videos or my goal, whatever, for this year, blah, 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 blah. So real quick, 3 things. Number 1 is to break my PB smallmouth. That won't be that hard. It's only like 3.5 pounds. I don't do a whole lot of smallie fishing, even though we have really good smallie reservoirs here. So yeah, I'm going to do more of that this year, though, for sure. So that's number 1. Number 2 is to catch a 3-pound spot. Yeah, I just found out that there's a few reservoirs here in Colorado that have spots, and a couple of them actually have good spots. So 3-pound spotted bass is number 2. And number 3, and I don't want to be one of those dudes that, I need your help. But I need your help on this one. 3rd one is a huge lofty goal, but we're going to try to make it happen. Now it's 5,000 subs by the end of the year. So tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your mother, tell your father, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your cousins, tell your coworkers, tell that creepy dude that rides the bike by the pond and asks you every time you're fishing, hey, how you doing? Catch anything? Tell him, tell everyone. Alright? Subscribe to Colorado Redbeard Fishing. If they don't have a YouTube account, tell them to make one, and the first channel they need to subscribe to is Colorado Redbeard Fishing. Alright, and I'm doing the same thing. But yeah, that would be awesome. That's a big thing for this year. And I just want to say thanks to all you subscribers, all the few of you that have been here. It's been awesome. And also telling all you guys and everything, comment on the videos, hit the thumbs up, those always help. But definitely comment. I love when you guys comment, even if it's something dumb, or even if it's, you suck or something, whatever. Just comment. It's always awesome. I like talking to you guys. Crack a joke. I love joking around with everyone. That's just who I am. Jokes are a big freaking thing to me. No, I love joking around and I love having fun, so it's great. But also, questions, anything, comment down below, guys. It's awesome. That's the big thing, the cool thing that I like about doing this. I guess I could say this too while I'm here, not to be yapping all freaking day, but the reason I started this channel was, number 1 was just to document it. Obviously, I think that's why a lot of people start filming, but another reason was to help the Colorado bass angler, who we are not every other state in terms, like, our weather is so crazy, so fluctuational, and just our reservoirs and lakes are a lot different. And it's, you can read all the tips, watch all the tips videos from other places, but I always found that, you got to take those and do different things with them here in Colorado. And so that was a big reason to me doing this. And also was for everyone else around the world to see that Colorado ain't terrible bass fishing. We actually have, is it down south, or like Texas, Florida, and, all those great places down south, or Mexico, or any of that stuff? No, of course we're not. But we actually have pretty good bass here. And, even a lot of people that live in Colorado don't even know there's bass here. People that fish, like fish for trout and something, like, what, there's bass here? Like, a lot of people don't even know that, really. So that was another big thing about the channel. But yeah, anyway, enough of the yapping. I don't know exactly where I'm going to be fishing. Some ponds are like thawing out, like half thawed, or there might be a couple that'll be thawed. It's going to be very difficult, but I'll be doing the stuff that I had in this video, obviously, at least trying, all those tactics that I use this time of year first, and move accordingly. But gonna go pick up Terrence first, of course. Both of us are going freaking crazy. Haven't caught a bass in like a month because of the ice, so I'm pissed off and ready to go. Let's get going. Alright, pond one. Let's see. Alright, so just starting off. Ugh, line got a little wrapped around. Starting off dragging this jig. See, this is like the deepest part, but also like the warmest part too, up to the northeast corner where it's sitting in the sun. So let's see. You know, to tell you the truth, I don't even know how many bass are in this pond. We're gonna move to the pond that I know has good bass in it. Just because I don't feel confident here. At least there'll be one worry off my mind, because I know there's good fish in it. And I'll just have to worry about cold water. Oh, jeez. To pee. The struggle is real. Just trying to pop it over that ice so I didn't screw up my line. And then I definitely popped it over the ice and straight up my face. Oh, it's always fun. Okay. Terrence is over there shaking his head. Where is the water edge? Can't tell. So you might be wondering, why am I running this spinner bait like along the ice like this? Well, number one, because spinner bait is what I had on, but why this location, because bass are probably hiding out under this ice. That is the deepest point. That's why it hasn't thawed yet. And also, people don't really know this, but the ice actually is like an insulator, and that's actually probably the warmest, especially where it's deeper right there. The sunlight coming through that ice actually makes it really warm, and also gives them that cover that you know they love. So this is actually like right where it's starting to get deep. It's right on the edge of this. So figured maybe some of them are towards the end. Might come out and get this thing. Alright, pond 3. Here we go. Whale poop. That stunk. Oh, really had high hopes for the last spot. You know, with the rock dam and everything. Talked about that in my last video, my fall or late winter lures video. Yeah, rock dams are usually good on sunny days when the water's cold because holds heat and all that. Bait fish and bass come up to the rocks. Usually, especially here, I have good luck with that. But yeah, that wind just got terrible. It's like gusting over 30 miles an hour. It's just getting freaking annoying. So, just didn't want to deal with it anymore. And especially when it's only in the 50s and then you got 30 mile an hour winds, it gets a little brisk. So, but hey, still making the video. I make videos no matter what. If I'm filming, then I'm making a video. So not every day I can catch fish. So I'm just a normal guy, just like all you. But yeah, I mean, you learn more on your crappy days anyway. What, you know, you really, when you start looking back at it, oh, what could I did differently and stuff like that. Today, I don't know how much of a day that, or how much I can really do that for this day. I mean, the water is just cold. You guys can see that lakes still have ice on them. It's just, I mean, yeah, you can catch them, but it's pretty dang difficult. So, yeah, but anyway, probably going to go back out tomorrow anyway and try it again. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go back and watch all the other videos if you're not. And make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that thumbs up. That is awesome. You watch the video, hit the thumbs up button, guys. It helps. Click on my logo in the upper left hand corner to subscribe. In the upper right hand corner is the last video I made. In the lower right hand corner there's a video I know you'll enjoy. And make sure to hit that like button down below as well.